My lovely Leos, welcome back to Tarot Talks. I hope you guys are doing good and are safe with your family and loved ones. So Leos, today we are going to do the collective reading for your sign for the month of September 2021. Please note that this is a collective reading and it might not resonate with all. So just take what resonates and leave the rest, okay? You would also want to check other signs in your birth chart for a better and clear understanding. So Leos, while even before rather when I was just cleansing my deck and preparing for this reading, I actually kept on the I just the instant thought that came to my mind was I'm going to get some powerful messages. Okay, so, the word powerful kept on coming to my mind. Also while shuffling, there was a lot of fire energy, fire cards that I was seeing. Okay, someone is like on fire. Okay, someone is like, I'm not going to stop now, I'm going to do this, I'm going to take this action. There's not going to be any looking back. Okay, nothing can stop me now, that kind of energy. Okay, someone is really on fire. The energy was toggling somewhere between swords, like Knight of Swords, and wands, like a fiery energy. So just a word of caution, guys, do not take any drastic step that you'll regret later. Okay, I really want to tell you that. The Strength card, the Leo card also kept on coming up a couple of times. I would say just give it a thought, do not act on impulse is what I am strongly compelled to tell you guys. Okay, so let's begin with your overall energy. Your overall energy has shown up as 5 of Michael, which is 5 of Swords in conventional tarot. I'll tell you what it says. This situation doesn't serve you. Release your attachment to the outcome. Consider taking a more uplifting approach. So guys, I feel that there is some sort of conflict happening here with someone. Could be at workplace, could be at personal level, and it's not going down too well. Okay, it's kind of putting you off balance. Okay, it's kind of stressing you out, it's kind of upsetting you. Okay, so basically try to change your approach is what I would like to tell you guys. Okay, let go of the conflict. Try to think of approaching the situation with some different angle. Okay, or with some different strategy is what I am wanting to tell you. Yeah, consider taking a more uplifting approach is what this card is also saying. So yeah, whatever. Yeah, by the way, when I was shuffling the Angel Oracle deck, the cards that kept coming out was what was it? Peaceful resolution. Yeah, so I am very much thinking it's going hand in hand. Try to make peace rather than entering into more conflicts. Okay. So let's jump into your overall energy. The present energy has shown up as a Temperance. Okay, it's a Sagittarian card, again a fire energy. Now this to me is asking you guys to have patience. Okay, have patience. To be very honest, Leos, I really am getting lot of impulsive energy. Someone who is acting or thinking out of impulses, out of emotions, not thinking rationally. Okay, so please, if you are doing that, don't do that. Try to calm down. Okay, try to calm down a bit and then approach the subject or topic of conflict. Okay, please look at this Empress. She is actually asking you to balance your energies. Please do meditate. Okay, please take help of people you trust in. Okay, and I'm sure if you meditate a little, it will help you calm down and you'll start seeing the same thing in a different way. Okay, so yeah, definitely you really need to calm down, guys. I'm getting that message very strong. Interestingly, Tower card, it had popped up twice when I was actually laying the cards. I had kept it somehow back in the deck and shuffled again, but it had to come out. It flipped out again and I took it. So I think that this is something. This is something which has brought a sudden change in your life. Okay, a sudden the incident or the situation has happened so suddenly that you are like I said, you are thrown off balance. Okay, you are not expecting it, the tower crashing down, and you are not able to, rather I would put it as you are having difficulty accepting the situation. Okay, and that is where more and more conflict is arising, guys. So please note that whatever this tower situation, whenever a tower moment happens, it's God's way, or it's God's methodology to make you understand certain things, to make you learn certain things which you have not been doing. Okay, it's like God has given you ample of opportunities for certain things, but you were ignoring those red flags, you are not learning your lessons, and bam, one day the tower just crashes down. Okay, and you have no choice but to learn the lessons. Okay, so yeah, see these two energies, guys, that there is a shadow energy as well as a bright energy. You really need to get grip of the situation. You really need to balance your situations, balance your emotions, balance emotionally as well as practical aspect of the situation. Collect yourself together basically to face whatever the situation is, rather than going into conflicting mode, rather than going into blame game mode. I'm not saying that you might be doing this, but you might tend to do that in the given situation, is what I'm getting. Okay, so please do meditate and learn your lessons. That is what is asked over here. Definitely a tough energy to go through. I can strongly feel throughout this energy of this reading, guys. It's not an easy time for some of you guys. I am really sorry you have to go through this rough period, but I am very sure that this whatever has happened is happening for a reason. It is for your betterment, though you cannot see it right away. If any such thing has happened and you would want to discuss, do drop me comment and we can check it further or discuss it further. Yeah, the energy in your immediate future is that of Five of Wands clarified by Empress card. Now to me, I feel that the conflict could be even at workplace. Okay, some unhealthy competition, some jealousy, some I would say some sort of competition which is not allowing you to grow. Okay, which is not allowing you to perform, or which is not allowing you to give the best of you. Okay, and I feel that there is so much, or rather you are so much focused on this conflict that you are not being able to express, you are not able to perform, you are not able to give your best shot at the workplace. If it's at a relationship level, you are so much focused on situations that are going wrong that you are not able to see the brighter side of the relationship, brighter side of the situation. Okay, that is the kind of energy I'm getting, and that's why I'm saying first and foremost you need to work on yourself, Leos. Only then will you be able to arrive to certain situation and resolve this conflict. I also feel that for some of you guys, if you are expecting a baby, just be a little careful about your health. Okay, you might be experiencing certain problems, could be in your third or fifth month of pregnancy, need not be, but yeah, in early stages, just take very good care of yourself, guys. Do not stress yourself more unnecessarily, is what I would like to say. The energy in your what do I say, obstacle slash advice card is that of Ace of Pentacles. Now when I'm looking at this entire flow, what I'm feeling is once you let go of the conflict, once you make peace with certain situation, once you calm yourself down, the moment you start working on yourself, there are going to be new opportunities right there at your doorstep. Okay, knocking at your door right there. I mean, you will see the difference so suddenly that you yourself won't believe it, that how things have changed so drastically. Okay, so that's why I'm saying just work on your vibrations, just work on your energy. You are bound, or rather new changes, brand new changes are awaiting for you guys. Don't don't let go of these beautiful beginnings just because of some petty conflicts that surely can be resolved, okay, by some sort of understanding or maturity. Okay, Ace of Pentacles is a very bright and prosperous and abundant card. It talks about new opportunities in career. Maybe guys, if you actually make peace, or if it's if it's the conflict at workplace, just decide that it's a toxic environment for me. I'm not able to give my 100%. I would rather look out where my skills, my capabilities will be appreciated, valued, and let me try those opportunities. It's as simple as that, and you will have a new opportunity right away, guys. Just an example. Please apply it in whichever situation you are in right now. Okay, the outcome is King of Swords, and that is clarified by Four of Swords. Now I feel that you guys are in that mode wherein you are going to cut people out of your life. Okay, you are just going to block someone. Okay, you are going to stop communicating with someone. You are going to get into that energy is enough is enough. I do not want to take this anymore, and I'm just, I'm just done with this. Okay, that was the kind of energy I was getting while shuffling also, guys. The king has brought his sword up, and he is like ready to fight it out. Okay, it's like, no, I'm not ready to tolerate any BS now any further. In a way, in the given situation, this is good, guys, because if the situation is getting too toxic for you guys, it's better to just move on and let go of that toxicity in any which way, even if it means cutting ties with certain people who are not serving for your highest good. Okay, and that is precisely what I think you are going to do. Okay, or it could be someone who has been, for some of you guys, like a different group of people, someone who has cut ties with you, is not talking to you, has blocked you. Okay, that could also be the case for some of you guys, but definitely there is a break in communication over here is what I'm seeing. Let's see what message we have for you guys from this beautiful deck. Okay, nothing will come out of this situation, guys. By and by, as we are progressing through this reading, I really feel that you are having to let go of the situation, because I am reading this card again. The situation doesn't serve you. Release your attachment to the outcome. Consider taking a more uplifting approach. I strongly feel that you have to let go of this situation rather than keeping on fighting on it. Okay, sometimes you really need to cut the cord and just move ahead in life, and this is precisely that situation is what I'm thinking. Okay, nothing will come out of this situation, so do not fight over something which is not going to work. Do not bang your head on something which is not going to help you. Okay, instead just let go of it and move ahead in your life. Okay, new energies are anyway waiting for you guys. Yeah, let's see what we have for you guys from this beautiful deck. Very, very interesting, guys. By the way, not the right time card had come twice when I was shuffling, and this is the third time this card has come out in your, and that in your main reading. So which means the universe is definitely telling you this is not the right time to fight, guys. Some battles are to be lost for better. Okay, you need to choose your battles, and I really feel that this is that situation wherein you really need to choose your peace of mind over winning unnecessary ego battles or whatever it is. Okay, so just let go. It's not the right time to fight over things, because there is something better for you guys, and definitely I'm very sure of that. Once you let go of this negativity, you are bound to enter a brand new beginning, brand new abundant prosperous beginning. This could be at your workplace, professional level, or at personal level, guys. So just let go of this, what is causing so much of conflict. Let's see what messages we have for you guys from this charm. Okay, I'll take this. I'll take this. And I'll take this. Okay. Weakness is a choice. Okay, yeah, weakness is a choice. By the way, strength card had come like at least 3-4 times when I was shuffling. So definitely, guys, strength is a Leo energy, and you are Leos, fire sign. Okay, you are lions. You will never choose to be tamed or tamed down. Okay, you are there to fight out, roar. Okay, so weakness is a choice. Choose strength over weakness and keep on moving ahead, guys. That's the message that is coming through. She believed she could, so she did. Of course. Once you pick up yourself, once you gain that composure, confidence to move on in your life, nothing is going to stop you from entering abundant energies. She believed she could, so she did. And I'm sure, Leos, you will also find out a way through this situation. Paris. whatever this means to some of you guys. Maybe some of you guys might travel overseas. Okay, there was world card also that was showing up, by the way, but it did not show up in your immediate in your main reading. But yeah, maybe you guys might be traveling overseas in the near future, if not immediately. But yeah, this could be in cards for some of you guys. So Leos, I leave it at that. If any of this is your story, if any of this resonates with you, please give the video a thumbs up. Okay, drop comments, share your experiences. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. I'll see you next month directly, guys. Till then, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye, take care.